Hey guys, bit of a different one this. I've just installed Visual Studio 2008. Well, it's actually like Visual C Sharp um, 2008. That was the very, very first programming language. The very first programming software that I used way back, way back in um, probably probably about 2007. And before that, I used 2005, but it was more towards the end of 2005, coming on to 2008 version. I'm not sure how. I think I just watched a video. I just came across a video. I remember being in uni. Actually, I was in college at the time, and the teacher was telling me, was telling the class about programming and coding and stuff. And in my mind, I was just like at that time, I was doing a media studies course, and I just remember thinking to myself, how crazy is it that you can make things do things with code? And I think I got like a bit of an obsession with it. So I started searching on YouTube to see if there were any videos, and lo and behold, the first video that I came across was a web browser tutorial, and the guy in the video must have only been about 12, 13 or something. And I just really enjoyed it, copying what they were doing. So that's probably the main reason why all these years later I've decided to make my own channel. But anyway, I just thought I'd load up Visual Studio 2008 and see if we can actually make an application with it. So yeah, let's have a quick look. Let's just load it up. I haven't even tried loading it up yet, so I don't even know if it'll work properly. But wow, this brings back so many memories, like proper nostalgia. Yeah, 2008 doesn't sound that long ago, but looking at this, it feels like decades ago. That's crazy. This proper gives me like, this is the Express version, so it were a little bit different. I think I pirated. This is bad, but I think I pirated the professional version back then. But yeah, this is so crazy to see. We've got the tools. Let's try and see if we can make a project. WPF browser application. What's that? WPF application. I wonder how different it is to make one. Let's have a quick look at the Windows Forms. But to be fair, I don't think the Windows Forms one have changed much over the years. I think it's kept very, even in today's. I think the template for it, the window, is actually the same as it was back in these times. So let's just have a play about, see what we can come up with. Probably not very much. Let's make a text application. This feels so strange. But saying that, it hasn't changed a whole lot. Actually, it does. It actually feels better. It's weird that it's not sluggish. It just pops into place. That's crazy. Let's add a label and a text box. Let's add two text boxes, and we'll just pass some code from one to the other, like the good old days. I'm so surprised how easy it is to maneuver. I thought it'd be. I'm using VirtualBox as well, so and it's working pretty well. Let's just pass some string of text. See how different my. Oh, there's no properties. Let's have the properties window. I can just remember like how when I started doing this, how inexperienced I was trying to find where things are, and it all still feels very familiar. I think I'm gonna like try like the older ones as well. Seems this is a bit of an success. So box 2, let's just, oops, pass box, and we'll just say pass, and then close. I don't know how much the code has changed over the years. It's been so long. I have no idea, so I don't know how well this is going to work. But let's just say, so if it clicks, we'll just say box. Oh, look at that! The IntelliSense is that's just great. This is awesome. This is really awesome. So I'll say text box2.text equals like. This is ace. Let's run it. Look how quick it loads up. Look at that. Let's just close there. Let's close that. And then we'll just do application dot quit, exit. I have to admit, this is so quick. What happened? Look how quick that loads up. This is ace. I know that this video was really, it wasn't much. In fact, let's just have a quick look at WPF. Let's see how much WPF has changed over the years. New project, discard. We don't want to save it. We don't need that. Let's open this one. Test WPF. Let's do YouTube. Look how quick it loads up. Seriously. Oh, that's quite confusing. Oh, grid splitter. What's that? Oh, we've still got column definitions. Like I say, it doesn't auto complete your code though. Not to the extent of just adding that last square bracket in. But yeah, grid dot column definition. I'm so surprised at how familiar it still is. Do we have stack panels? We have stack panels. I probably sound really stupid here, but I cannot remember. And to be honest, I never used WPF until around about 2018 or something. Maybe even, well, actually no, it was quite a while before that, because I kind of started doing Windows Phone applications, and that was using like a WPF extension when it XAML. But yeah, that was early, probably 2012 when I started doing 12, maybe even before that actually. Let's see if we can make that same application. Let's add a stack panel. Orientation, vertical. Add a text box. Name equals box 1. Text box name equals box 2. I'll just add a button. It's not. I'm not going to position it or anything. I just want to get to the code. Button height 30. Text. Oh, it's content, isn't it? Content. Click me. Let's just add a bit of padding. Margin, sorry. Margin 20. Margin 20. Padding. Oops. 10. Padding 10. That's a little bit better. Also, let's just add that to that. We don't need the padding though. Save. Let's add a click event. Let's first give it a name. Name. So if they changed it X name. Oh no, they haven't. X name. Button. Click. Then we'll just give it a click event. Save. Let's say box2.text equals box1.text. This is honestly, like, I can't explain how much nostalgia this is giving me. Like, just even the text, it's amazing, honestly. Is there any text editor general? There's no like themes or anything. Let's just get rid of the what's one dot clear. That's right. Even that just pops straight up. Hello, world. Boom. Works like a charm. Oh, I do remember this. This used to annoy me. How it used to flash after you'd done it. I wonder if you could actually view designer. What would designer? Document outline. Alright. I don't think you could edit the actual appearance of it back then. But yeah, how cool is that though? Especially if you're old school like me. Well, I say old school, like medium school. I don't know what you'd class it as, but like the majority of people that are programming nowadays probably weren't even born when this was released, which is it's just crazy how times have changed. But I think this has been really interesting, actually. I don't know about you guys. If you want to watch me do some application development on some older software, then give me your suggestions, and yeah, why not? It's been good. Yeah, don't forget to follow. See you later. Bye.